So I'm trying to unbox my new light, my new LED light my son bought for me, and if there's anything I do not like, I do not love electronics, but what can I do? I want to start posting on YouTube, and I need.
What is the light number?
Okay, Chuck, take the brochure. My husband is sitting down. He doesn't want to help me, but I'm going to do this. I got this. Okay, so.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Yeah, you should stand up and help me.
I have no idea how to do that.
Okay.
That's why I'm going on YouTube, baby.
Okay, we're going to learn together. I don't know what they are. I think this should be the light where you plug and the light will shine. So, and I don't know what these are.
You got me the cheapest one. I don't know which one it is, the newer what.
It's cheap. Well, I think it's going to light up my video anyway, so as time goes on, I'll buy more expensive ones. Little by little we will get there. So, let me see this. This should be the stand.
Does it look like this?
I thought you said we should go to YouTube and.
I'm looking, but I don't see that light. They're all like number 2.
It's gonna be there.
It's not here.
Get it?
There's no numbers after it.
The light. Is it gonna? Don't even know if it's gonna be light. Should be longer than this. I don't know.
You can download the thing.
Okay. Maybe this is the table lights. I don't know. I'm gonna check the YouTube and see. This is why we need to post videos, evergreen videos on YouTube. Like, I don't know how to do this, but I'm sure when I go to YouTube, I'm gonna be able to find a video that
they're all different, you know.
will teach me how to assemble this. So that's why we all need to start posting on YouTube. We need to start producing those evergreen videos that people can actually go online and search, and our videos might be able to pop up. We should know, what I want us to know now is that YouTube is owned by Google. So Google is connected with YouTube. If you doubt me, go to Google and ask Google a question. Ask Google a question, and you'll find out that even Google is going to suggest some YouTube videos for you. And these videos are produced by someone like you and me. So why don't you start posting on YouTube? Even if it's like cooking, you know how to cook. Even if it's cooking videos. Yes, everybody loves food. I can learn easily from your recipe, the way you cook your meals, and it might be different from the way I cook mine. And by the time I look at your recipe and the way you cook your meal, I might love it and I want to try your meal. Like, I just found out recently that the beetroot, before, I don't know that I can even cook or bake the beets. You know, what I do before is I cut it into pieces, I boil it, then I start drinking the water. But right now I know that I can even boil it the way I boil my yam, you know, and eat it like that. And it's very, very nutritious, and it has a lot of health benefits in our body. So there are so many other things we can do on YouTube, like gardening. You know, gardening is something that I also want to start learning, because we all need plants in our homes. We need plants in our homes. If you have plants in your homes, it help you to purify the air you're breathing. It sucks up the oxygen, the carbon dioxide. All of us knows that the humans uses oxygen and the plants uses carbon dioxide for survival. So we need to live in the house with plants, green plants, and it helps us, to live more healthy, purify the air in our homes. And gardening is good. Many other stuff is good. Post your videos, and YouTube is going to suggest your videos to people who needs help.